That's right. He's back once again, and this time with a brand new restaurant. How about that? Anthony Scalero from the Vue in Wadsworth.
Yes, sir.
Now I got to remember another name for
I
you,
know, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
changed wardrobes and everything. How about
Hey,
that?
this is going to be great. So I understand it's right downtown, not far from the famous clock.
Yeah, we're actually right behind the clock there, right on the northwest corner of downtown Wadsworth Square.
2 stories of glass.
Oh, it's gonna, yeah.
It's going to be beautiful.
It's like eating outside, but inside, yeah.
What day do you open?
So we're going to have the same hours as 111. We'll be open Tuesday through Saturday. We'll open at 4 o'clock. Same concept there with, happy hour. We're going to have a lot of nice crafted cocktails, wine lists. Similar to what we do, it's going to be a lot more intimate of a space.
Yep.
We have about 60 seats.
Oh, that's nice.
Including the bar.
I love that downtown area too.
There's a lot going on in Wadsworth right now. I happen to live there, so
how about
I
that?
wanted to make sure that there was a nice place to eat. So
keep in touch. What lentils?
yeah, so these are black beluga lentils. So
What are these long things in there?
rosemary.
Oh, rosemary.
Yeah, we braise them with rosemary. Yep, there you go. So the concept, for this restaurant, we change our menu at 111 a lot.
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing at the
Every
Vue.
10 weeks or so?
Yeah, but we're going to kind of structure it a little bit differently. Our menus aren't going to be, as structured there. We're going to have...
They're not identical.
More themed, yeah, totally separate concepts. We're going to theme our menus a little bit more. So this opening theme for us and for me, myself, is going to be, I call it homage. It's basically, paying tribute to things that when I grew up...
Oh, great.
that imprinted me from a cooking perspective.
I love the smell of that rosemary in there.
Yeah, my grandmother used to make, when we were kids, lentils at the time. You're like, I don't want to eat this.
I know.
But it's one of those dishes that now I remember it, and
It's old school.
It's comfort, right?
Yeah.
So we got some black lentils. My grandmother always made it with peas, and she would put ditalini in there. So we're gonna kind of do the same thing. So I'm kind of taking her dish and trying to make it my own.
So some of the water that you cooked the pasta in went in here also.
So yeah, so what we just put in there is called brodo. It's Italian word for broth, but we make it with a bunch of aromatic vegetables, semolina flour. So it actually is going to...
It's a stock.
Yep, kind of create like a body. And then we do a little bit of chicken stock as well. So this is kind of like a soupy stew dish, but it's very comforting for cold weather. It's going to be a small plate on our menu. But it's something that's meaningful to me.
So where would I'm looking at the menu? I'm going to order this stuff. Where would I order? I would order this as a side or as a starter.
This would be like a small plate. So our first menu, we're going to have about 8 to 10 small plates, and then we're going to have a few entrees and a few pastas as well.
And how do you attack this, with a spoon or a fork?
Well, we have forks today, but I would do a spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to be a little bit of broth, but it's kind of going to be something you can just slop up with a spoon.
And the starch holds it together.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and just
out.
pop this in here. And then we're going to finish it with
Smells good, doesn't it?
a little bit of fresh...
What a day at New Day Cleveland. Boy, I'll tell you what.
Romano. Yeah, so come see us. We're going to be opening hopefully by the end of October. That's our goal. We'll have the same, like I said, we'll have the same hours.
Yep.
Tuesday through Saturday, 4 till whenever everybody leaves.
So the Romano cheese gives it a little sharp pop.
Yeah, so you're going to get...
a little sharper than Parmesan.
Yep, a little bit of saltiness as well.
Boy, it looks great.
Yeah, so a lot of fun, interesting stuff. It's going to be, completely different menu than what we're used to at 111. So still something similar, same concepts. We're going to cook good food. We want to change the menu. We want to keep it interesting. We want to keep it fresh and quality. So
well, it tastes wonderful, number one.
Good.
But it really has a good chew.
Yeah, so those black beluga lentils really hold their structure really well. They have a really nice bite.
Yeah.
It's a nice way to kind of take a dish that used to be something I grew up with and turn it into something I can serve to people now.
Yeah, because it's nothing like an overcooked pea. An overcooked pea has a smash to it. This has got like a really nice chew to it, and the cheese really hits it nice. And the lentils great. It's wonderful. Hey, so when do you think the restaurant's going to open?
Yeah, we said, like I said, hopefully by the end of October. Okay. That's our goal right now. We're going to keep posting. We have Facebook up, we have Instagram up, we have our website there on the screen. Go check it out. We're going to keep putting up updates as we go, and we're getting to that final stage of construction, and I can't wait for that to be over.
It's right here on your shirt.
Right there.
There it is, the Vue, V-U-E.
We got it.
111 if you can't wait till the Vue, right?
I got my hat on the wrong way, but the logo's right there, so I had to turn it forward.
It's always great to have you here. Thank you very much.
Thanks, David.